What comes in a Pesti Smart Pest Plan shipment and how to set it up for safe, complete application. The shipment includes a rechargeable electronic sprayer that provides a consistent spray pattern and adjustable flow control. Before first use, fully charge the battery according to the quick start guide and test spray with clean water to confirm nozzle function and seals. A labeled mixing bag arrives sized to simplify dilution, with graduated markings so you can pour concentrate and water to exact volumes. Always add concentrate to water when directed and gently invert the bag rather than shaking to avoid splashes. The pesticide concentrate provided is selected for your area based on common local pests and climate considerations. Read the product label for authorized uses and legal restrictions, and check the included material safety data information for first aid and environmental precautions. Nitrile gloves are supplied for chemical handling because they resist permeability from many common active ingredients. Put them on before opening concentrate, avoid touching skin or eyes while handling, and dispose of gloves after the job in a sealed bag. Step-by-step instructions come printed and in the shipment as a quick reference card that covers dilution ratios, target application rates, recommended nozzle settings, and safe storage practices. Follow each numbered step, measure precisely with the bag or a dedicated measuring container, and keep children and pets away until treated areas are dry. For heavy or unusual infestations, the instructions outline repeat application intervals and when to seek professional help, and they include a troubleshooting section to address common nozzle clogs and uneven spray patterns. People often skip the test spray and then get poor coverage, which leads to wasted product and incomplete control. Always test on a waste area and adjust nozzle and flow before treating the target. Another common mistake is incorrect dilution from eyeballing volumes, which can make the solution too weak to work or too strong and unsafe. Use the supplied mixing bag markings and follow the label math step by step. A third issue is improper personal protective practices, like using only one glove or removing gloves mid-task, which increases exposure risk. Wear both nitrile gloves, keep a clean pair for handling the sprayer after mixing, and follow disposal instructions immediately after cleanup. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share real experiences about treatments and equipment. We help contractors find work and help homeowners compare approaches, ask questions, and learn from others who have used similar pest plans.